Out. Good. Stand for me.
So many people might be hesitant about seeing a chiropractor, so I thought I'd show just another video of me doing an adjustment with one of my clients. Actually, funny enough, this is someone I've been seeing for 6 years. Very personal experience to me. Kristy actually has suffered with migraines. We have been together since I was a student at university, and this is some of the progress that she's actually made, and this is what her adjustment looks like. So we've been adjusting Kristy now for 6 years. We originally, when we first got together, I would find her in bed on a regular basis with migraines, and this is her now.
So today we've got Kristy. Kristy's one of our patients here at Complete Health. So she's just going to go through in a little bit of detail what we've basically been doing with her, and then we're just going to show you what Kristy's adjustment looks like. So first of all, how long have you been coming to see me in the clinic?
About 6 years.
So the reason why we've been doing it for so long is that actually what we notice is when we start to space things out, things go back to where they were. Mm-hmm. So just tell us a little bit, like, what were things like when you first started coming into the clinic? What was the main problem that you came into the clinic with?
Migraines. I used to get, about 2 a month at least.
Okay. So, and if you tell us what are things now like?
I maybe get 1 a year, 2 at the most.
Okay. And so what are we doing in order to try and actually keep those headaches away?
Adjusting me regularly, once, twice a week.
Okay. So we started on once or twice a week, and as we've progressed through, we've actually significantly dropped that down. So what we're going to do is we're just going to show you what Kristy's adjustment looks like. So when you're ready, you can go down onto your tummy for me. So is there anything that I should know about today?
No.
Okay, perfect. Okay, let's get you over onto this side for me when you're ready, please. This arm just come forward, and I'll drop back. Okay. So we're just going to start with the pelvis. Just roll back on this side, so we're just going to bring it forward. So let the shoulders just drop back. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Good. Okay, let's stand again for me. So people with migraines typically will show a lot more issues up here and down here. But the reason why we still go down here is that we want to make sure that the base is set, because again, with a house, you always want to make sure that the base is set and make sure that the foundations are strong. A little bit tight on the right side. Okay, so really restricting through that right there. Okay. Good, let that shoulder just drop forward a little bit for me. Good, and let that shoulder blade just drop out. There you go. Good, let that head just drop to the side. Let that, yeah, perfect. Good, a little bit breath in for me. Out. And that shoulder just go a little bit more, let it just drop to the floor again. Good. Good work. Yeah, look, you can relax. Get in with that rib as well. Okay, show me. Can you lift the left leg up for me? Down. Other one. Good, down. When you're ready for me, come to the back. So if you lift this one up for me, hold it there nice and strong. Strong. Come on, give me some juice. Okay, so no strength on that one. Hold nice and strong. Okay, so that one's all good. Okay, so I'm going to check that left upper neck. If you just bring yourself into the middle of the table. Perfect. I'm just going to bring this down for me a bit. Beautiful. was the left hip that went weak, wasn't it? So the left one or the right one?
This one.
That one, right one.
Okay.
Just bring it down, just turn it. Hold strong. Strong, 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 strong. Perfect. Good work. Bring those hands up for me. So many patients will ask me why that happens. When we look at the top of the neck has got a very high proprioceptive input into the brain. So when we actually change this joint up here, what we can actually do is change the brain's perspective of what's going on in the environment. So even with a muscle down here, up here can still affect down here. Okay, just bring this up one more time. That's all clear. Good. Take that arm forward. Make a fist. Hold it there nice and strong. Strong, 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 strong. Good. And if you just do the other one for me, and hold it there nice and strong. Strong, strong, strong. Okay. Just drop. Take it forward. Make a fist. Just bring it straight first.
Okay.
Hold it strong. Okay. Good. Cool. You're all done.
Thanks.
My pleasure. Just roll back on this side, so we're just going to bring it forward. So let the shoulders just drop back. Nice deep breath in for me. All the way out.